In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Google Drive after uploading files. If your drive feels like a catch-all, after a big upload, this walkthrough will help you turn that pile into a clean, predictable structure you can find in seconds. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Drive, or go directly to drive.google.com. If you're prompted to log in, enter your account details and verify as needed so you land on your Drive home. Give the page a moment to load your recent uploads. Seeing everything clearly helps you plan your structure. Begin by creating broad, top-level folders with the plus New button. Think in categories you'll remember later, like finance, marketing, or personal. Clear names beat clever ones, so use simple, consistent wording. If you deal with time-based work, consider adding a year to the folder name to help later sorting. Once your main folders exist, add subfolders to break things down further. For example, inside Finance, create 2024 tax docs, invoices, or receipts. Keep the depth reasonable. 1 or 2 levels is usually enough, so you don't bury files too deep. Now move your uploaded files into place. You can drag and drop directly onto folders in the sidebar or main view. To move a bunch at once, select multiple files, then right-click and choose Organize. Move. If you misplace something, remember you can undo your last action. Make your folders visually scannable with color. Right-click a folder and select Organize, folder color. Assign hues with meaning. Maybe green for money, red for urgent work, blue for personal. Consistency helps your eyes find the right spot faster. For items you open every day, add a star. Right-click the file or folder and choose Organize. Add to Starred. Everything you star collects under Starred in the left sidebar, giving you a lightweight favorites list without changing a file's location. If a file needs to appear in 2 places, create a shortcut instead of duplicating it. Right-click the item and select Organize. Add Shortcut. Shortcuts point to the original, so you get access from multiple folders while keeping just one real file to maintain. Switch to List View and sort by name to spot accidental duplicates. Similar file names will group together, making it easy to delete extras. When you remove a duplicate, it goes to trash, so you can restore it if needed. Finally, use the search bar's filters to gather files by type or date. Filter to PDFs or items modified in the last 7 days, then move them into the right folders in one focused pass. With these steps, your drive will stay tidy and easy to maintain.